Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we are going to review eufy X10 Pro vacuum cleaner. So you should purchase this product or not. So in this video we will cover each and every information related to this product. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is the official website of eufy, and on this website you can see the product is listed, and you can say the product is easily available on amazon.com also. Okay, and the rating of the product is too good, and the rating, and you can say the product is used for your vacuum and any kind of, you can say, dust particles in your house. If you have any kind of dust particle in your house and you want a robotic vacuum, then this is the best option. But if we are going to talking about in terms of price, the price you can see $549. So this is a very big amount. If you have so much money, then you can go with this product, because the eufy product is very expensive, and you can say the life you very well known, the eufy is a very good brand, and you can say eufy is a very most popular brand, but the cost of each and every product of eufy is too high. So if you have so much money, then you can invest your money in your vacuum parts, and if you don't have so much money, then you can avoid, because in terms of, you can say, vacuum parts, then you can see on amazon.com there are lots of options available. Then I will provide you all these kind of all vacuums in highly discounts, or you can say, as you can see, this is the same kind of product available on amazon.com also. So you can also use some other products of eufy, and you can say, as you can see, this is another product like Dream L10s Pro Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. The price of the vacuum is a little bit less, or you can say a discounted price, and $399, or you can say $400 only, and the rating of the product is also too good. So you can choose alternates if you don't have so much money. Okay, if you have so much money, then eufy is the best, you can say, choice for you. Okay, so I'm going to end this video over here. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.